For ages actually, if I have to be really myself, and this is really maybe me, is that so funny. I remember in a college once we started laughing, and then the, the laughter was not stopping at all, like laughing on and on, because it is like that, isn't it? The topic today of reflections is, don't take anything personally, including your life, and then there's nothing to take personally in your life. Oh my God, yeah, really, don't take anything personally, including your life, even your life. Anyway, you will die, no. So don't take anything personally, including your life, and then there is nothing personal. Nothing there to take personally. You understand? Because nothing is there. Then you will dance it or not dance. Really think about it. It's very funny. And this applies across the board. I'm not talking without knowledge. I'm talking about the whole knowledge. I'm talking about the wars. I'm talking about concepts. I'm talking about this AI. I'm talking about ultra human stupidity. In fact, that is why they say, when you lose basic moral kind of moral sense, you lose everything. That is the whole problem. No? So all the issues from childhood, I knew this. Every child, when we laugh in the class, every single child gets it because they are facing every day. They are facing every day with their parents. Array, I'm not talking in some esoteric heights. I'm talking about the daily tortures of children. Oh, you don't know. You don't. I'm telling you, today's children are gone case because their parents are so amazingly idiotic. This, that, this, and the teachers are super idiotic. And you go there in that Kafkaesque, funnily Kafkaesque. I think Kafka is a very funny guy. He was just hiding, I think. So don't take anything personally because nothing is happening. Really, what is happening? Your wife says something, it's just words, no, forget it. Friend says something, forget it. Your heartbreak, it's so-called heartbreak. Who has a heart to break your heart also? And if a person has a heart, he'll come to you running because you have such a big heart. At least you think that. And if you don't have, then work on it. As I said, work on it. Then what else? Caste, religion, politics, Modi, Trump, Biden, all these fights, left and right. No? Yes? And all these jokers on the media, the jokers in the. Oh, Baba. I need to be like that. At least in your life, it will be like that. So don't take it personally. What my friend Robert Nasir says, give 3% of social response. It's also social response. And also fun, no? 97% you give to yourself. Learn. And learn about the universe. Learn about stars and planets and evolution and histories and the content of it. Learn about the poetry in religion, the poetry in Upanishads, the poetry in music. Don't fight. Stop fighting. The poetry in everything. In science. In technology. Don't be anti-technology. Don't be anti-capitalism. So I will not read technology. Don't come to conclusions, Baba. You don't know anything. Even I didn't know. I don't know now also. Go deep into things and enjoy your life. And don't take your life seriously because when you don't take anything personally because there's nothing to take anything personally. And when you have nothing to take anything personally, wonder will happen. There'll be nothing to take anything personally. And you'll be happy, and the happiness induces happiness, right? So you'll be happy, and happiness will make you more happy and more happy. This is what happened in my college. One day we were laughing, and the laughing is not stopping. Okay, so laugh all your life. There's a beautiful statement on Pandit Ravi Shankar by his guru. It was as if he had discovered a laughter, and he has been laughing since then. He didn't discover anything great. He saw that all this bullshit, and he saved himself from this drug-induced Woodstock and understood, that he has to go more silent and deep and laugh in his music. Go look at things, find out. Thank you.